Want to learn one secret that can literally 10x your sales in 2025? And no, it's not about learning more tactics. It is about something that you are unknowingly doing right now. Stay with me for the next few minutes, and I promise that this is going to change the way you sell forever. If you're meeting for the first time, I'm Nirvitsana Goyal, sales strategy coach, and I help coaches, consultants, and business owners just like you increase their sales without sounding salesy. So if you want to grow your business using psychology-based selling techniques, then hit the subscribe button and tap on the bell icon, because I am going to drop practical no-fluff videos every week. Before we dive deep in, I want you to think for a moment about two things. One, why are you in this business? The real reason, the inner reason which only you know. And second, what is the message you give to the world? What you tell the world why you are in this business? What is your message to the world? The answer to these two questions is the key to your breakthrough. Now, when I'm in my live coaching programs, I get to hear answers like, it's my passion, I have 10-15 years of experience in this line, or I'm an expert in this. And now the latest one that I'm hearing is, I want to help 1 million people suffering from so-and-so. If your answer is any of these, then you are in the right place. Because this is exactly the reason why your sales is not where you want them to be. Now here's the shift. It is all about you, your passion, your expertise. So when you say that, I am helping thousands of people, or I am on a mission to help people solve this problem, it is still your mission. It's all about you. Now here's something that top closers know. People don't buy your mission. People buy their own results, their own transformation. So instead of saying, I have helped thousands of people, you can say, Mr. Verma was stuck for 3 years and now he's able to close 6-figure deals. Now it's about them, their journey, their success. This one shift from I to they changes everything. The tonality changes, the energy changes. The whole sales conversation now starts connecting. And to show you how powerful this shift is, let me take you back to 1997. Apple was on the verge of collapse. Much of their ad messaging focused on tech specs. We have faster processors, better screens, more storage, better design, and user experience. But it wasn't working. Then Steve Jobs came back and he made one legendary shift. He told his team, stop talking about the product and start talking about the customer. That's when their Think Different campaign was launched. And it changed everything. Instead of tech specs and features, they started talking about visionaries, dreamers, innovators, even rebels and misfits. Basically, the change makers of the world. And their sales exploded just like that. Because they shifted from I to they. And let me tell you, there's an actual science to crafting and delivering these stories that build instant connection, trust, and influence. And I break this down step by step in my flagship program, Sell More with Stories. It is a 6-day live experience where I teach how to build emotional connection with your audiences, with your prospects, so that they make that buying decision. You'll find the link in the description. Check this out, because one story told the right way can close a 6-figure deal. Coming back, this shift needs to happen internally first. You need to start looking from the prospect's lens. What are they going through? What fears are stopping them? What are their struggles? When you start feeling, the words will follow. You stop sounding like a salesperson and you start sounding like a trusted guide. Because remember, it's not about how good you are. It's about how great they can become with your help. And that's when the sales explode. If you resonate with this shift, then start applying it today. And drop a comment with one insight that clicked for you today. And if you want to master selling through storytelling, then join the live online program Sell More with Stories. The next batch is getting started soon. The link is in the description, and let's get started.